Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream. So let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so my hair is just washed and deep conditioned. She's already detangled. Nothing is on my hair. We are going in with the Avocado and Rose Oil Clump Define Cream by Bounce Curl. It says it has medium moisture right there at the bottom, and it is 6 fluid ounces. So the claims of this cream is to moisturize, define style cream that will lightly hold curls in place. And we're going to read the directions first. You know, I like to read the directions so I know what I'm getting myself into. And I can't blame the product if I'm not using it correctly. This product is extra concentrated, so apply a small amount of cream to sections of hair. Product is thick and hair must be wet for most effective distribution. After applying cream, scrunch hair, then air dry or diffuse. Tip: for volume, flip hair upside down and then diffuse. Okay, I like that. If you don't know, Bounce Curl is my favorite brand. I've only tried, this is my second thing from them. Third thing from them. I love Bounce Curl. If you guys watched my video on when I dyed my hair, that was the best my hair's ever looked, I think, like ever. And I used this product. So I have used this before, but I did try it again and I didn't get the same exact results. So I don't know if it's my technique or what, but we're gonna try it today. So this is what it looks like. You cannot see that, but it's literally like a thick cream. She's not going anywhere. Let me take some out so you guys can see. She says it's highly concentrated. Can't talk today, evidently. So I think this is a good little section. The mirror's right here if you guys are wondering. Oh, should I do a smaller section? I am going to do a smaller section. Oh guys, this is a tough situation. Okay, so I'm going to take this little section right here and apply it from root to tip. Oh, smell. It's a light, kind of shea buttery smell. And you guys know I'm gonna just make sure it's evenly distributed and get those curls popping with my diamond brush. Now my hair is already detangled and this part doesn't claim to have any slip, so I'm not gonna obviously judge it off slip. But I do think it does provide some slip for sure. And it's so moisturizing. I honestly wish that she'd come out with like a bigger container because I would buy it. I think like the Define Butter, I think that's a little bigger than this, and it'd be highly appreciated because I love I love it. I want to try this with the light hold, what is it, the cream gel. That's what I want to try it with. So it is a thicker, it's a thicker cream. It's not, whoops, it's not a light cream. My hair's on the thinner side, but it doesn't weigh my hair down either. So yeah, it's clumping really nice. And of course I'm using the diamond brush, but like it clumps my curls. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. We're gonna go to the other side. Yeah, Bounce Curl did it for me this year. I want to do a favorites video. So let me know how you guys are feeling about that. I'm going to complete the rest of my head. Put this all in there. And I will see you guys when I'm back. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Wet. Very clumped. Very moisturized. I don't see any frizz. Oh. I don't see any frizz inside. I am going to plop a little bit in my shower cap. I'm going to wet plop a little bit in my shower cap, so let me flip my hair real quick. I've been just doing it as an extra step because I don't want the wet hair on me. I don't want to feel it. I've been air drying lately. If I can, I try to air dry, so that's what I'm going to do. So it's actually late. So if I don't see you guys when it's dry, I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm back. It is the next day and my hair is fully dry. I will say it took a long time for my hair to dry. My hair usually takes a long time, but yesterday was like really long. Like I ended up having to use my diffuser a little bit on cool on the low setting for at least a couple minutes. I was like, no, it's like I don't want to go to bed with my hair wet. Number 2, I do love it. I love my results. It is soft. I don't have much. The curls are gonna stay, if that makes sense. It's a soft hold, but it has a lot of hold, if that makes sense. For the product itself, it is 6 fluid ounces, which I think is its biggest downfall. I love the product, but it's only 6 ounces. Like, can I get a couple more ounces? Just a couple more, because I'm almost done with this, and I don't even have a lot of hair. So if I had like thicker, more coarser hair, I'd be SOL because it's not a lot of product. But other than that, I absolutely love it. It is like, if you guys, I think I already said this, but when I dyed my hair pink in that video, my hair looked so perfect. My hair doesn't look the same in that video, and I use the same technique. So but every time I use this, I kind of do get like a different variation. Like I get different results every time, but I absolutely love it. So I have no complaints other than I need more than 6 fluid ounces. I've used this like 3 times. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like halfway, maybe a little more than half. So now I'm just like, I don't want to use it. But if you do want stronger hold, use their hairspray. You flip your head over while it's wet, spray. Girl, your hair will be, it gives you that hold, it gives you that crunch if you need that. But yeah, so overall, I absolutely love this cream. Wish it was a little bigger, but other than that, like, that's my worst complaint. So I love Bounce Girl. Love Bounce Girl. But yeah, this is what we're working with, lady. Very shiny. I have so much shine. So much. And I do get a lot of shrinkage. I feel like my hair usually looks a little more elongated than this, but this is amazing. My hair is very moisturized, and I only use one product, so that's good. But this is getting long, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please keep deep conditioning. I will see you guys next time. Toodles.